Hello there, this is Billy. Long time no see. I've started remaking crystal radio videos again. Today I'm going to show you how to make some spider coils using the pill bottles. We'll be making two spider coils, one with 38 turns as the tuning coil, the one on the right, another one with only 10 turns to use as the antenna coil, the one on the left. We'll be using this type of pill boxes or pill bottles that you can buy. We'll bend it into shape and then cut it into a spider coil frame. So please follow the instruction below. We'll be having another video to combine the beer bottle variable capacitor that I made before with these spider coils to make a very easy crystal radio using stuff you can find around yourself. So it will fix the problem that it's hard to get crystal radio components on the market. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click like, subscribe, share with your friends, and click the bell so I can notify you of my new videos. 恭喜發財 Happy Chinese New Year! There you are. This is the 2 coils we just created using the pill bottles. This is the end of my video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will show you a lot about crystal radio. This is Billy DIY. Signing off now. 73.